Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make lentil soup. It's Turkish style. Let's start. First step, we add 3 big spoons of olive oil. We add the onion with some garlic, and after we add 1 big spoon of bulgur with 1 big spoon of rice with half cup of lentil. We mix it well for 1 minute in the medium heat. After 1 minute, we add 1 liter of hot water. We add 1 small spoon of salt with half small spoon of black pepper with half small spoon of cumin. We mix it well, we cover and we leave it first 5 minutes in the medium heat, and we make it low heat and we leave it for 35 minutes. After 40 minutes, the soup is cooked. We can use the hand mixer to mix it, and we go to make the sauce. For the sauce, 2 big spoons of olive oil with 1 big spoon of tomato paste. Mix it very well in the low heat for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take some soup, mix it with the sauce for 20 seconds. And take back to add to the soup and mix it well. Leave it in the low heat for 5 minutes more. After 5 minutes, our soup is ready for served. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next